In today's video, we will guide you through screen brightness issues on iPhone 12. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Then simply scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available there. Once inside the accessibility, tap on the display and text size. After that, scroll down till the bottom and you can see the auto brightness option toggled on. Simply toggle it off. After you toggle off the auto brightness, you can see the reduce white point option available right above it. Again, toggle off the reduce white point option available there. After that, go back to the settings again. And now in settings, all you have to do is look for the display option available there. After you tap on the display and brightness, scroll down again and tap on the zoom option available there and make sure it is tapped on the default option available there. If there is a standard option available, then simply tap on it as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.